Save our planet. Floods and drought affects Thailand. On Tuesday, April 12, the Disaster Prevention and Mitigation Department reported that 4 provinces in the south of the nation were still flooded after heavy rain starting in March claimed 61 lives and destroyed over 500 homes, with damage to more than 10,000 others.
As floodwaters recede throughout 6 other provinces, reconstructive efforts have begun, and the Federation of Thai Industries announced that the cost of this disaster may be as high as $333 million. Meanwhile, extreme drought conditions continue to afflict northern regions of the country, with some that have been ongoing for over a decade. At present, across the 47 north and northeastern provinces that are enduring dry conditions, almost 30,000 villages are affected.
We pray for the soon recuperation of the graceful Thai people as we express our sorrow over the lives lost. May our planetary home soon regain its nurturing balance through humanity's increased awareness to safeguard the environment.
Supreme Master Ching Hai has often spoken about ways to curb the worsening of climate change, as during the December 2010 interview with El Quintanaroense newspaper in Mexico.
We're really killing ourselves, slowly or quickly. Apart from that, we have other things, hurricane and Niños and earthquakes, all because we disturb the pattern of nature. We disturb the ecosystem. More than 300,000 people die every year because of climate change alone. It will be more. It's more and more. As the climate gets worse, more people will die. Not just by poison, but by disaster. The government always gives subsidies to the meat industry. So you see, if we use that subsidies, millions of dollars, give to farmer to turn into organic vegetable farming. It's very easy to grow vegetables, especially organic vegetables. Less work, less water, more produce, and minimum pollution to our water and air, absorb CO2, and healthy for the planet and for the people, and regulate the atmosphere again. So we don't have hurricane, we don't have earthquake, we don't have flood, we don't have drought, everything balanced. This is scientifically speaking. For my vision, I know it's more than just that. Because if we kill, we get harm also. We will have to pay. It's the law of the universe. Anything we love will benefit us. Anything we harm will hurt us.